Hello, welcome or welcome back. It's your woman Angela K. Odi. Today we are making coconut cassava cake. Come with me and let's make this delicious healthy cake. But if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. And for my subscribers, Team Angela K. Odi and everyone watching my videos, this case is for you. Thank you so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you guys always coming along. Thank you. Come with me and let's cook together. Come. For our ingredients, we'll be needing our condensed milk, coconut, cassava, cinnamon, and salt. But because of time, I've already grated the cassava and the coconuts. So I'll go ahead and do the rest for you to see how I grate everything. The coconut copra comes out like this with this brown bag. But if you don't want it, you just use your grater to grate it off. So this is how you do it to achieve this white texture. You can even do that. I didn't really grate everything off. I just needed a few, not too much. So like this is okay. Go ahead and just guys, we are in Ghana. I said the banchi bu okrumha. Yenti me for banchi me fufu nko awo. Ye do you so ye cake na ye di. So we go ahead and wash it off because this one we do not need. So you just go ahead and grate. So you go ahead and grate your coconut like this. You can also use your food processor if that's what you have. So you can also use your food processor if that is what you have. But I prefer to grate it because when you grate it, you can really bite on your coconut. It's ready. So we will go ahead and set our coconut aside and grate our so we are also grating our cassava. Look. But as I said earlier on, you can also, for the cassava, you can also use your food processor, or you can decide to grate it. But I prefer to grate it because when you grate it, it means you can buy from your cassava too. It doesn't take much time, guys. So that is it. Our cassava. We are done with the grating of the cassava too. And add everything together like this. You really want to get rid of some of the water from the cassava. So I'll go ahead and put some of the cassava in the cloth, or you can use your net if that is what you have, and then you go ahead and squeeze. We're able to take some of the milk. It looks so dry. Perfect, just the way we want it. And I'll go ahead and use the rest. You have to throw this away. You have to let it stand. This is the starch. So after it stands, the water will settle down and then the starch will settle at the bottom. So as soon as you pour out the water, you get your starch. So you don't need to throw this away. And you can use your starch to make anything, any thickener. Any food that you are making, you need thickener. You just use it for it. Guys, this is the starch. We'll go ahead and set it aside for it to settle. Some salt. Salt is always to your taste. And you make sure you mix everything together. So we'll go ahead and add our coconuts. our bowl is very small, so I'll go ahead and pour everything in this one. This is a small bit and bigger. We go ahead and add our cinnamon. We go ahead and add our condensed milk. The amount of condensed milk depends on you, how sweet you want your cake to be. I have to transfer it back into this bowl because we are going to bake in this pie dish, so we need it back. I'll add the rest of the condensed milk because people are going to with the pie. I want this shape because I'm not going to baste the pan, so I'll go ahead and cut some of the baking paper in this shape so that you can bake it already. It always makes it very easy after it has baked. Removing it makes it very simple. Go ahead and add our cake. Whilst we are preparing, we've already preheat our oven for 180 degrees for 15 minutes. So after that, we are going to bake this cake 170 degrees for 35 minutes. It also depends on the type of oven you are using. Sometimes it takes 30 minutes, sometimes 28 minutes. It depends on the oven you are using, guys. It goes quick with my hand, guys. I did not mention any almonds on the ingredient, but it's always nice if you can go ahead and garnish it very nice with some almonds. It's really, really nice. It makes it, when it comes out of the oven, it looks so delicious, guys. Ready to go into the oven, guys. Look at this. Our cake is ready, guys, so we are going to leave it to cool down a little bit before we remove it from the thing. Otherwise, they will break. Guys, look, this cake looks so amazing. It's so delicious. Cassava coconut cake, guys. Just give it a try. Baby, I will be a banchibu into yebi. Now, mommy, how it turns out, guys. Well, look. Wow. Let's give it a try. is so delicious, guys. I had the coconut, the combination of the coconut and the cassava with the cinnamon, the flavors. Thank you so much for coming with me to make this delicious, healthy cassava coconut cake. But if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. And for my subscribers, Team Angela KOD, and everyone watching my videos, thank you so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you guys always coming along. Thank you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. Kiss kiss. Adios. Do it.